the horizontal elbow or the hook elbow. So I mainly like to use this from the front. From the back, you don't cover as much distance, okay? It can still be employed, it's the same technique. Fully employed, the technique looks like this. I'm here and back. Remember, I don't want to bring it around, I want to come straight back to my stance. So my center is moving, turning, wrist to sternum, and back. Now here's the reason the wrist goes to your sternum. If I just throw it from here, this gives us a little extra reach, that's fine. But it's not guaranteed. Are you feeling any elbow there?
No.
You're feeling forearm?
Some muscle.
Now?
Oh yeah.
All elbow. So that's why this is tucking in, okay? So we're here, and it slashes. This is also a knockout blow though. So what's happening is, from our center, dropping weight, tucking in, shoulder protecting face, hand protecting the other side of the face, and we're moving and we're pivoting on the front foot. Exactly. Yep. And so, and just have your hands nice and loose to sternum. Again, this may feel risky when I'm bringing this to my sternum, but my chin is tucked. And back. So our application of the hook horizontal elbow from the lead. I like to actually jab, and I don't bring it back all the way, okay? Here, I'm just tucking it in. Amazing as a counter if he's crossing. Grabbing it, coming over the top. And again, this is wrenching through on their brow, their nose, everything. You can hit them on the jaw, but mainly this is to cut your opponent. I can cross, come right over.